सवाल आप किससे कर रहे हैं, वरना हम लोग में झगड़े हो जाएंगे। दूसरा ये कि मैं समझता हूँ कि ये जवाब शंकर साहब देंगे।
शंकर सर यार आप दे सकते सर।
See, गुनगुनाना में we are going to be working in phases. तो जो पहला फेज है ये आर्टिस्ट शेयर होल्डर्स, we are going to be creating the content now. और हमारे बीच ही इतने कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं क्योंकि where is it that you are going to find, which platform you will find, for example Hari ji collaborating with maybe a Kaushiki or an Anusha Mani, or Sonu ji collaborating with Aruna Sairam, or you know a platform which is wholesome और depth है, aesthetics है, उसमें poetry है, अच्छी melodies हैं, तो पहले तो हम लोग उसमें जो कंटेंट है वो डालेंगे. Then based on our Gungunalu family, we will decide on recommendation of our family, we will get in artists from outside, which will be maybe 100, 200, 500, 1,000, it'll come, but they will all pass a test. You can't just come and be part of Gungunalu. It'll be under the recommendation of at least one of us from this. So that
मजबूर तो खुश हो गया कि उसके कटोरे को लैला ने ठोकर मारी है. ऐसी क्या मजबूरी थी लैला को कि उसने मजबूरी क्यों ठोकर मारी उसकी? क्योंकि इतने भारी भारी सवाल हो रहे थे बीच में, मुझे लगा कि ये इस सवाल का जवाब अगर मिले तो वी कैन एंड दिस वंडरफुल सेशन इटसेल्फ. स्ट्रॉन्ग इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम यू सर. लैला ऐसा क्यों, उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों
की आदत है कि जहाँ मोहब्बत नहीं है वहाँ मोहब्बत दिखाते हैं, और जहाँ मोहब्बत है वहाँ छुपाते हैं.
can I invite the Gungunalu family for a photo op, please?
हम भी कुछ गाना बजाते हैं तो हमारे को कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आता है. आई होप गुनगुनालू के साथ हमारा जिंदगी भर एएनआई का टाइप रहेगा. आपको जो बोलना जैसे बोलना वैसे बताना हमारा. ये भी इतिहास में पहली बार हो रहा है. सुषमन जी ने जो सवाल का जवाब दिया उसका सवाल में बाद में बोली. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोग.
हेलो myself अभिषेक, आई एम फ्रॉम न्यूज हब. मेरा आप सभी से मतलब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल कि आप सभी लेजेंड्स एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल. सभी लेजेंड्स एक साथ आए यहाँ.
एक मरतबा लैला ने अनाउंस किया कि आज वो चैरिटी करेगी, तो बड़ी लंबी लाइन लग गई. मजनू को तो बहाना चाहिए था उस तक पहुँचने का, तो उसने भी वो क्यों ज्वाइन कर ली. अब सबको वो कुछ दे रही थी, वो प्याला रखते थे तो दे देती, तो अचानक धीरे धीरे करके मजनू भी वहाँ पहुँचा, तो उसने मजनू के प्याले को लात मार दी, तो मजनू खुशी से नाचने लगा. तो लोगों ने कहा कि ये तुमने क्या किया, तुम खुश क्यों हो इस बात में? पहले खुश मैं इस बात पे हूँ कि मुझे लैला ने बाकियों की तरह ट्रीट नहीं किया. मैं प्रतिनिधि से कुछ कहना चाहूँगा.
First of all, I think a real congratulations to all of us. So, big round of applause for all of us. And the ones who got this, Shankar, Mahadevan, Sridhar and Javed साहब, I mean आप लोगों का सारी इंडस्ट्री को बार बार शुक्रगुजार होना पड़ेगा. I feel that is how it is. दुष्यंत कुमार जी थे, उनका एक शेर था, उसमें उन्होंने कहीं लास्ट में कहा था कि वो बोलता बहुत है मगर बेजुबान है. तो अब वो there is the fact that we all have mics, we all have pens, but often I meet friends, composers and writers all, and often I hear तो पता है ये पहले क्या था, पता है ये शुरुआत में कैसे क्या लिखा था मैंने, ये सुनिए जरा. तो कहीं एक मलाल रह जाता है कि जो मैं कहना चाहता था वो कहने नहीं दिया गया मुझसे. कि जो मेरे अंदर पनप रहा था और what I wanted to say, what I originally wanted to say, probably that I could not say. Somewhere I have seen in an artist. So that excuse is over. एक ऐसे इमारत में आप उड़ रहे थे कि आपको लगता था बार बार पंख टकराते हैं, काश आसमान होता। तो शायद वो आसमान भी वापस, that the commission art we used to talk about, yes, there's great work has been done in commission art, but I think we are probably going to commission it to ourselves, which is going to be a new reality. And I feel that the fact that anywhere, जावेद साहब तो जाते ही हैं, मैं भी जब भी जाता हूँ कोई पूछता है कुछ सुनाइए, तो often वो गीत आप सुनाते हैं जो शायद इतने मकबूल नहीं हुए, इतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए, इतने लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचे। आपको लगता है मेरा ये वो बच्चा है जिसको सब कुछ नहीं मिला, तो आप कहीं से निकाल के उसको सुनाते हैं। So this kind of syndrome will probably, and in the era where everybody seems to be becoming a broadcaster, there are more storytellers than listeners today. There are more music creators than music listeners today. In that era, I think there is something which we should also not, because feel that कि आपको माइक दिया गया या आपको कंपोजर बनाया गया, राइटर बनाया गया, ये गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको सच में आवाज मिली है। So I think this will be a bringing of a voice for the artist who supposedly should be having a voice.
People who are extremely busy, ये सब के सब लोगों को it is like weighing frogs, कि इसको डाला वो कूद गया, उसे उठाओ तो ये निकल गया। तो अभी कोई out of 33, 23 are there. Frogs are here. तो इसलिए हमने काम किया। ऐसा कोई हमारा सुपरस्टिशन नहीं है कि जो हमने डेट न्यूमरोलॉजी से नहीं निकाली, हमने मजबूरी से निकाली।
वैसे today's 05/05/2025।
जी मैं कलीम सिलवानी ABP न्यूज़ चैनल से यहाँ पर फ्रॉम जी फ्रॉम जी मैं कलीम सिलवानी। पहले तो आप सभी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। और इतने सारे टैलेंट को देखकर यकीन मानिए कि अगर आप लोगों को बाहर ना जाने दिया जाए तो बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री ही नहीं बल्कि सरकार भी हमारी डिमांड पूरी कर सकती है। और क्योंकि यकीन मानिए कि अगर आप लोगों के लफ्ज़, आप लोगों के गाए हुए गाने और आप लोगों की म्यूजिक अगर निकाल दिया जाए बॉलीवुड से तो बॉलीवुड यतीम हो जाए एक तरह से। तो बस आपसे सवाल है जावेद सर की, आपका शेर है कि इस शहर में जीने के अंदाज निराले हैं, होठों पे लतीफ़े हैं और ज़बान में छाले हैं। आप लोगों को एक साथ देखकर बड़ा अच्छा लगा, लेकिन सवाल ये है कि अभी हाल ही में संजय दत्त ने कहा था कि बॉलीवुड को भी इस तरह से एक साथ आने की बहुत ज़रूरत है। तो इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्या बॉलीवुड सच में बटा हुआ है, क्या उन्हें भी इस तरह से एक साथ आना ज़रूरी है?
दुनिया में कहीं भी अलग अलग होने से बेहतर होता है एकता। तो चाहे वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हो या कोई इंडस्ट्री हो या देश हो या सोसाइटी, एकता हमेशा के लिए अच्छी चीज़ है। तो कोई तो अगर आएंगे सब लोग एक साथ तो अच्छी बात।
जावेद साहब आपके राइट में, जावेद साहब क्या आप मानते हैं कि मेरे पास माँ है, इस तरह के डायलॉग अब हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आधे बंद हो गए? क्योंकि गाने तो समय समय पर आते रहते, जैसे सोनू निगम जी के गाने हैं, शान जी के गाने हैं, ऐसे समय समय पर आते हैं कि जो कई लंबे टाइम तक लोगों के जहन में रहते हैं। लेकिन मेरे पास माँ है, इस तरह के डायलॉग्स अब हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं आते जो लोगों के जहन में लंबे समय तक रहे। क्या आप ये बात मानते हैं?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है इसमें थोड़ा सा वैसे भी एक जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है। अब किसी पिक्चर में डालते हैं मेरे पास बाप है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने आइडिया दिया।
हेलो
Lalit ji, can you just
deprived of your magic. It has not reached them. And Gungunalo is the bridge that will take this, because I mean they deserve, they want it, they deserve to reach to your music, and I think that will happen. Sonuji, my friend, and the shareholder of this company. I request you to take it.
मतलब कमाल की बात है कि the only name left out was mine. I am the chosen one, truly. Heartiest congratulations to all of us for this special day of our lives. A lot of people's hard work and dedication has made us reach this day and experience this moment. As far as in very short, I'd like to say that from the time I arrived in Mumbai in '91 to become a singer, my first friend that I made was Raju Singh, who's sitting over there on the other end. So we both are taking care of this row. He's sitting over there taking care, I'm in charge here. So we started, I learned a lot from him because he was back then also a senior musician and a composer. And I learned a lot of things from him. At the same time, he was very kind enough to work without asking me for any money. We started working on some songs. And the only thing that we had in our minds back then also was ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जो कोई नहीं करता. हम तभी सोचते थे कि ऐसा we would never work कि ऐसा कुछ कर लेते हैं. We made all odd songs, weird songs, and today we realize that those songs that we made are now making sense. But back then they were just two crazy children, musically enthusiastic, trying to do something different. And I guess people will not have to wait for that long because of Gungunalo now, because I can really envision me working with so many different people whom I have never been able to work with. I know all of them, I know Kaushiki, but I'd like to do something with Aruna ji, with whoever nice, whoever wants me. And so many composers will have access to do whatever they want to do. The lyrics writer can get more creative because they're now no longer limited to a movie or a theme or a story or an emotion. So as Javed Saab rightly said, we are really witnessing a very momentous moment, and this will be remembered in the future as one of the most important days of the history of music.
है शेयरहोल्डर So we would have Sunita, can you pass the mic on to the and open questions to the media? Himanshu? Yes. Taking questions from the media.
तो लेडीज जेंटलमैन, हम लोग तो आपस में मिलते ही रहते हैं और हमें एक दूसरे से बातें करने लगे, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं चाहूँगा कि लेट इट बी Q&A between the audience and us. Q&A का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये है that the first two questions come with great hesitation, and after that everybody has two questions. So who will fill the first two camps? That is Saibul.
नमस्कार.
I think I have finished my quota. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा honestly.
अरुणा जी आप शुरू कीजिए.
कि
अरे
आपको
आपने
जब
तो
पहली
टेक ओवर ही कर लिया, हमने सजेशन दिया, हमने मान लिया, बस खत्म।
She's the only lady in the group, that's why I asked.
हाँ मतलब आपने तो मेरे मुँह से सारे वर्ड ही छीन गए। ठीक कह रहा है
सर, ये सही हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कि इसको आप रीमिक्स करें। कल को आप बोलेंगे कि अजंता में साइकेडेलिक लाइट लगा दें तो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा, ये उसमें अगर ताजमहल में डिस्को खोल दिया जाए तो क्या बात है। तो वो ये बात ये हमारा कल्चरल हेरिटेज है, इसको हमें संभाल के रखना चाहिए। देखिए हॉलीवुड में क्या हुआ था कि एक वक्त आया था जब पुरानी क्लासिक जो ब्लैक एंड वाइट पिक्चर्स थी उनसे कुछ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ने कलर किया, हंगामा हो गया वहाँ के डायरेक्टर। आप ये नहीं कर सकते, जो ब्लैक एंड वाइट की पिक्चर्स हैं उन्हें आप ब्लैक एंड वाइट पर रहने दीजिए, बिकॉज दे बॉदर्ड अबाउट, दे वैल्यू देयर हेरिटेज। तो वो हमें भी करना चाहिए। आप नए गाने बनाइए, ऐसा क्या मतलब आप शुरू में एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि हम इस काबिल नहीं है कि नया गाना बना सकें, तो ये खराब बात है। आप नया गाना बनाइए, आप अच्छा ही बनाएंगे, क्यों बुरा बनाएंगे भैया। तो ये पुराने गाने लेके उनमें रैप डालते हैं, आप ये कर दें वो कर दें। आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट रैप, रैप बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, रैप करिए अलग से, मगर वो पुराने गाने में सब डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं। वो आपका कल्चरल हेरिटेज है। लता जी का गाना, रफ़ी साहब का गाना, किशोर दा का गाना, ये मुकेश जी के गाने, ये वो आप संभाल के रखिए, ये हमारा धरोहर, उसमें कुछ आगे पीछे नहीं करना चाहिए।
Can I request all the Gungunalo family to come here? We'll have a...
So congratulations to everybody. It's such a beautiful thing that has come together, and I wish great success to everybody.
अब दोनों भाई एक साथ ही बोलते हैं बारी बारी।
Yeah, good evening everyone. See, we started our career.
कर लीजिए।
Can we hear Samir ji, please? Samir ji.
I must tell you one thing, Jyoti ji, we are very old friends, and thankfully both of us have sense of humor. So there was such this kind of a press conference. So he asked me one question, then he asked me the second question. Then I said, could anybody else ask his third question?
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। मेरे ख्याल से जावेद साहब ने और आप तमाम लोगों ने सारी बातें कह दी हैं। एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर याद आ रहा है, प्रसन्न आपने दुष्यंत कुमार का एक शेर सुनाया, तो मेरे ख्याल से हम सबका जो ड्रीम है वो इस शेर में है कि पीर पर्वत हो चुकी है, अब पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। तो उस बदलाव के लिए हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं और पूरी उम्मीद है। अक्सर बहुत सारी ऐसी कविताएं, बहुत सारी ऐसी नज़में होती हैं जो हम फिल्मों में नहीं दे पाते। कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि हमको किताबों में वो देनी पड़ी कि अब फिल्म में तो वो सिचुएशन आएगी नहीं, जबको हम जो कुछ हम तन्हाइयों में लिखते हैं, अकेलेपन में लिखते हैं, किताबें लिखनी पड़ी उनके लिए। और अक्सर जो नए बच्चे आते हैं वो हमसे हमेशा ये पूछते हैं कि कोई तो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट हो सकें और हम अपना काम दे सकें। तो मेरे ख्याल से इससे बेहतर प्लेटफॉर्म उनके लिए कोई नहीं होगा। जावेद साहब और शंकर ने ये सपना देखा और हम तमाम लोगों की ये कोशिश रहेगी कि इसको कहाँ तक लेके जा सकते हैं, और इससे बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे, ख़ास तौर से क्रिएटिव फर्टिलिटी के लिए कहीं मिलेगी। मगर एक चीज़ से थोड़ी सी शिकायत ज़रूर है कि जिस तरह से इस काम में लोगों को आगे आके काम करना चाहिए और अपना पार्टिसिपेशन देना चाहिए, वैसा लोग दे नहीं रहे हैं। उन लोगों से बार बार कहना पड़ता है, रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है कि आप प्लीज़ गाने दीजिए, प्लीज़ गाने दीजिए। ये आपका प्लेटफॉर्म है, किसी और को कहने की ज़रूरत पड़े ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए। तो मैं आप तमाम लोगों से गुजारिश करूंगा कि एटलीस्ट जितने लोग हैं बेस्ट काम जो करके देना चाहते हैं इसमें दे दें, क्योंकि इसी से हमारा आने वाला फ्यूचर जो है सिक्योर्ड होने वाला है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
उनका मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ऐसा हो भी रहेगा, इसलिए शायद नहीं दे रहे।
वही
Ehsan, let us please.
Hi everybody. Just the one word that comes to mind is the most beautiful part about creating music, which is collaboration. And we've been doing that now for how many years? In three of us with
30 years.
30 years now, actually, collaborating with everybody. I think we've collaborated with everybody who's sitting here. So it's just fun. The possibilities are endless, and I'm just thinking about it. I could play blues and have Javed Sir just talking over it, or I could play like country western and have something else on top of it. So the possibilities are endless, and it's going to be like one huge kitchen where everyone's going to just bring their ingredients in and cook out this lovely food. And that's it. And the thing is that I know that in the future there are a lot more plans about publishing the music and doing proper publishing the way it is done, where you send catalogs abroad and maybe people in America will pick up your music and use it for something, or use it for sync, or there's a lot of possibilities. So that's the only thing is very exciting, and it's just superb that this is happening at last, and I'm going to thank these gentlemen here for creating this whole idea. Thanks.
Salim Jaldi.
Yeah, well, everybody said so much. I just want to say that this is it's a great opportunity for art to finally shine. Music and poetry is art form, and somewhere that, because we're so used to making a song to a brief or to a situation or to this moment where you're thinking, imagining what you're feeling, which is the true form of expression, is something that every artist should experience. We've always, in our country, music has been, film music has always been the main hero, and of course, the last few years have been amazing that independent music has risen, but still we tend to go into a sort of a web where we are making music or making a song based on a certain situation or something that we are creating a brief for ourselves. There's, like Ehsan said, that I can just play blues and Javed Sahab have spoken word on it. And these sort of creative things are going to be so inspirational, not just for I hate the word industry, I like to use the word community. Our community is going to inspire so many more artists who will be able to think freely and express music as an art form and not just as something that they need to do. So it's truly a historic day, and there's so much that my mind is thinking and my heart is feeling, and looking forward to the next few years.
And as you can see, Shankar Mahadevan's wearing dark glasses because the future is so bright.
He's not wearing dark glasses.
Achha, I have been asking him to do a blues album for the last only 25 years. तो अभी finally बनाएगा ऐसा.
Hello everybody, good evening. First of all, जैसे सोनू भाई ने बोला था कि हमने कितने टाइम पहले हम लोग सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहते थे वो सब. Yes, and we used to just boast to ourselves कि we are ahead of times, तो वो सब ideas, and जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने मेरे से बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो चुपचाप मैंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा है, because I know so many songs you have played, right? So I see we all have there are sides in us. I call all of us as artist musicians, because हम में सब कुछ है, लेकिन सिंगिंग का, composing, writing, I think हम सब कभी-कभी मैं जावेद साहब से गाना सुन रहा हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है इनकी आवाज़ में कुछ अलग लग रहा है, So I think the collaboration is the difference. What we can all create remove the different sides of us and actually create some experiment, and I'm really looking forward to it. हम लोग जब भी बोलते हैं ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, I think हमें जो freedom कभी थी नहीं, हम भी experience कर रहे हैं अभी. So I think we all have to get used to it. I think this, like you said, the first phase is
between all of us we start doing all the songs and जितना delay मेरे तरफ से गाने देने में हुआ, I think आज से नहीं होगा. Thank you.
Let's hear Papon.
Yeah, basically, I think what Prasunji said, yeah, I still can't believe this is happening. So maybe इसीलिए हम लोग समीर जी के गाना दे नहीं पा रहे हैं. Actually, everyone's doing their own independent. Salim's done a great job with Bhumi and his own channel. So सब अपने गाने तो कर रहे हैं. But I think this is almost unreal. I don't think this has happened anywhere in the world. I mean, just unbelievable. And मुझे लगता है इसमें एक और जो force होगा कि हम सब अपने अपने मेरा भी YouTube channel है, please subscribe. But I'm saying this is one platform where I release a song, everyone's going to push it. He releases a song, everyone's going to push it. That doesn't happen anywhere else. I think this is really
And also the difference is you're owner of the platform.
Sorry?
You're the owner of the platform.
That obviously is, but this is going to be a big force. I think, I hope ये जैसे हम सोच रहे हैं वैसे हो जाए. It'll be amazing.
आप याद है तो एक बात मैं अर्ज करूँ आपसे, मैंने गौहर जान का जिक्र किया था. She was a very important personality in the history of popular music. She sang in 10 languages, in different languages, even French and English. ये एक अजीब औरत थी. उस वक्त क्या था, ये राजा महाराजा नवाब लोग होते थे जिनके यहाँ जाके आपको गाना होता था. इनकी ईगो ऐसी थी कि सिंगर को खड़े होके गाना होता. Even the musicians with the tabla were not allowed to sit down. He would stand and play tabla, stand and play sarangi, or sitar, whatever. They were not allowed to sit. Gauhar Jan was the first singer who said, I'll come to your darbar, my musicians will sit and I will sit. Otherwise I will not come. पहली औरत है जिसने कहा कि मैं बैठ के गाऊंगी, मेरे सिंगर बैठ के बजाएंगे. हम ये अनाउंस कर रहे हैं कि हम बैठ के गाएंगे और बैठ के बजाएंगे.
एक बात कहनी भूल गया मैं कि हर बार मुझे लगता है कि जावेद साहब कुछ हम लोगों के लिए मसीहा बन के आते हैं. जब जब हम तकलीफ में आते हैं, चाहे कॉपीराइट का जंग जो लड़ना था या जो लड़ाई अभी हम कहीं बीच में फंस गए कि अब आगे कैसे जाएं, तो जावेद साहब ने फिर हमको आगे निकाल देने का रास्ता निकाला. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच जावेद साहब. आप नहीं होते तो शायद इस फर्टिलिटी को बहुत कुछ अधूरा छोड़ जाना पड़ता.
मगर ऐसा ना कहिए कि मैंने आपको निकाल देने का रास्ता. ये बड़ा खतरनाक स्टेटमेंट.
I want to also add maybe some more important things about Gungunano, that Gungunano is firstly the only streaming platform in the world which is by the artist. There's no other streaming platform, which is a very big thing. There are lots of communities, lots of societies in the whole world, but an artist society, artists, writers, composers that have started a streaming platform is something that the world has never had. Also, it's not just a streaming platform, as you saw in this thing, that this is the only platform that has all kinds of social media behind the scenes. It can also allow ticket booking for artists and concerts, and a lot of things that happen in the studio, podcasts, spoken word, so many different aspects.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. The AV said everything, but I'm just reiterating what I know from my knowledge. There's so much that is created by the artist community as a streaming platform and a social media platform. There's nothing like that in the whole world. That makes a big difference.
Just one thing to add to what Salim just said. Every stream, every penny that comes from the stream is transparent, and the artist can see what they're earning on a daily basis.
Another small thing I would like to add here, that अभी से हम लोग we started talking about hits and money and everything. It's very good that we do, but somewhere we need to also caution ourselves that this is we're talking about happy artists here. We're talking about self-expression. We're talking about the fact we wanted to do this and we didn't do this. Let's not that somebody else out there tells us that देखिए आपको पिंजरे की बहुत आदत थी या ज़रूरत भी थी, क्योंकि देखिए आप पिंजरे से बाहर बहुत खुश नहीं है, कोई अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे. So the question is that, are we going to judge ourselves at every day, Javed Saab, that this is how we measure, that the way we have been used to be measured, and we talked about marketing people and people who came in between, they measured us success and they said नहीं इस तरह का नहीं चलता है, आपको इस तरह का करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमको देखिए आपने पहली बार किया था हुआ कुछ. Now here I think that somewhere the measuring scale has to change for ourselves. I mean, I'm just cautioning ourselves when we are venturing on this journey that the yardstick is only going to be hits or only going to be the fact that, or there is a happy Hariharan, more effervescent Hariharan is the yardstick.
I couldn't agree more with Prathumji, but let me add one thing. See, nobody denies the importance of marketing. Product and marketing, both of them are perhaps equally important. But at the same time, let not the tail wag the dog. That is wrong. You create freely and the marketing department should find the market for it. Don't tell us what is in the market. Market में ये चलता है इसलिए बना. If that will happen, nothing new will happen. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. और जहाँ पिंजरे की बात है तो आपको मैं भी सबने एक एक शेर सुनाया तो मैं भी काश ये शेर मैंने लिखा होता इतना अच्छा है. I envy the poet who has written this line. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा. आज परिंदा बाहर आ गया पिंजरे से. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजरे से एक परिंदा. अब इस परिंदे के दिल से पिंजरा निकालना है.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस साइड समक्ष नामदेव. सर, मैं भी एक आर्ट से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मैं भी थिएटर करता हूँ. तो जब काफ़ी सारे आर्टिस्ट एक जगह बैठते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे मतलब अनबन होती है, चीज़ें होती हैं कि इस एक कॉन्क्लूजन पे नहीं आ रहे क्योंकि इतने सारे खुराफाती दिमाग होता है ना आर्टिस्ट का, ये नहीं वो नहीं ऐसे नहीं वैसे नहीं. तो आप इतने सारे लेजेंड्स एक साथ एक चीज को बनाने के लिए बैठे, तो ऐसा क्या चीज थी जिस पर एक मत नहीं बन रहा था, कंक्लूजन नहीं आ रहा था?
हम लोग सब मिलके एक चीज नहीं बना रहे हैं. एक चीज है वो है गुनगुना लो. बट आई थिंक ईच वन ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग व्हाट ईच वन ऑफ अस वांट टू डू. यहाँ पर जो हर आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर है इस प्लेटफॉर्म में, सभी के अपने अपने दे लीड अ वेरी बिजी लाइफ, दे सक्सेसफुल, they are popular, वो सब तो है. लेकिन हर एक आर्टिस्ट में, I can speak on behalf of all the artists over here, still there are certain creative dreams which are there in every artist over here. कि यार, you know what, I want to do this. I want to try doing this. I want to collaborate with this person. I probably want to do a Carnatic music album, or do a collaboration with somebody over here. I want, as you were speaking, maybe a beautiful poetry with alap and just a grand piano, which is played by Roy Mendelssohn. Something like that. ये हर एक के दिल में बहुत सारे वो, there are dreams which are creative dreams, and this is the platform that is going to fulfill those dreams. So it's not a collective thing. Each one does whatever he wants to do.
I just wanted to add to that.
This will give a perfect example of complete unity in complete diversity.
I just wanted to say that the market you're talking about, Javed Saab bhi bole the Prashant ji, market is there and we are working for the market, but we are creating another market which will only have art, not to what the market is like. This will be a different market, I think. यहाँ पे कुछ और ही मिलेगा शायद, and we don't have to cater to the market which is, and that's why maybe we're doing this. We don't want to cater to that market जिसमें वो numbers and views and all that is there. It's a different market. I think it'll be nice.
We have some amazing artists over here also. यहाँ जगह नहीं था, so I'd like to just take their viewpoint. Shan, would like to say something?
Of course, काफी.
देखिए कहीं मार्केट फोर्सेस ने एक तरह का असर तो किया है और कुछ एक जेनरिक हो गए हैं गाने. जिस तरह की पहले गानों में डेप्थ होती है, प्रताप रसूल साहब ने कहा था, उसका क्रेडिट मैं नहीं लेना चाहता. ये बहुत अच्छी बात कही थी, मुझे याद है कई बरस पहले कि हमारे जो गाने होते थे वो पीपल्स फिलोसफी होती थी, उसमें पब्लिक पब्लिक जो है वो सोशियोलॉजिस्ट नहीं पढ़ती, फिलोसफर नहीं पढ़ती, लेकिन किसी किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। ये इस तरह के गीत होते थे जिनमें ह्यूमैनिटी जागती थी, मोहब्बत जागती थी, दोस्ती जागती थी, भैया दिल के जज्बात जागते थे। जो दुखी गाने होते हैं, हम भी तो दुखी हैं, उनसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, हर आदमी को दुख है, ये सब कम हो गया है। खासतौर से सैड सॉन्ग तो बिल्कुल ही अब ख़त्म ही हो गए। मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट का ऐसा ख्याल है कि ये नहीं चलते हैं या नहीं चलेंगे। तो ये ज़रूर है कि ये फ्रीडम जो मिली है कंपोजर्स को, सिंगर्स को, राइटर्स को, तो आपको उनके मन की बात पहुँचेगी उन तक जो उनके दिल से निकली हुई है, और जो बात दिल से निकलती है तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी दिल को छूती भी है। तो यकीनन जो आपको शिकायत है वो दुरुस्त है अपनी जगह। कमाल की बात यह है कि जो जितने ये प्रोग्राम होते हैं टीवी पे, बच्चे जो 17 साल के, 18 साल के, 20 साल के, 21, वो अपनी पैदाइश से 60 साल पहले के गाने गाते हैं, 50 साल पहले के गाने गाते हैं, लेकिन अभी का गाना नहीं गाते। तो ये क्या बात है, क्यों है? मतलब हम जब पीछे देखते हैं हमें ध्यान नहीं रहता कि ये गाना जो है, ये रात भीगी भीगी, ये 60 साल से ज़्यादा पुराना गाना है। ये रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ, ये 70 साल पुराना गाना, और आज भी लोग गाते हैं, बच्चे गाते हैं। तो ये जो है, ये गाने दिल से निकले थे। अच्छा वो है क्या कहानी, उसमें डेप्थ हो, ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जाए, इमोशनल सिचुएशन, गाना आइटम गाना अगर बन जाएगा, सॉन्ग होगा, तो उसमें कहाँ से वो डेप्थ आएगी, कहाँ वो ठहराव आएगा। तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे कंपोजर्स हैं, जो हमारे सिंगर्स हैं, जो हमारे राइटर्स हैं, इसको महसूस कर रहे थे, और इस कमी को कि वो नहीं कर पा रहे जो उनका दिल चाहता है। वो ठीक है, वो उनकी मर्जी है भाई, आप कमीशन वर्क कर रहे हैं, आपको पैसा मिल रहा है, आपने डॉटेड लाइन पे साइन किया, आप ज़रूर कीजिए, वो भी जीना का सहारा है। लेकिन ये कि जो आपका अपना पर्सनल एक्सप्रेशन है, जो आप रियली करना चाहते हैं बगैर किसी कंपल्शन, वो यहाँ होगा, तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको अच्छा लगेगा।
ऐड कर रहा हूँ जो जावेद साहब कह रहे हैं, और कौशिक जी आपने कहा, और यहाँ पे अरुणा जी हैं, शंकर महादेवन तो करते ही रहते थे वो, जिसका मैं जिक्र कर रहा हूँ कि जो क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियंस को उन्होंने कहा कि हमें तो फ्रीडम मिलती है। मैं इसका एक थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि फिल्म म्यूजिशियंस आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, दैट इज, बट मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ कि आप बंदिशों को गाती हैं, ये बंदिशों में गाता हूँ, तो इसलिए थोड़ा फर्क है। और शंकर महादेवन कोशिश करते रहे, स्टेज में गए, उन्होंने उन बंदिशों को तोड़ने की कोशिश की है, और आई थिंक दिस इज अ कंसीडर्ड एफर्ट टू गिव प्लेटफॉर्म टू ऑल ऑफ देम हु प्रोबब्ली नीड दैट।
देखिए ना, मैं तो कौशिक जी का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, हालांकि मेरी बेटी की उम्र के है, बट आई एडमायर। मेरी बहुत तमन्ना थी, मैंने कितनी बार शंकर साहब से कहा कि आई वुड लाइक टू राइट अ सॉन्ग फॉर हर, तो वहाँ तो मौका मिल नहीं रहा था, लेकिन अब मैं तो लिख दूंगा, पता नहीं गाएंगे नहीं गाएंगे।
We have Shweta Mohan who's flown in all the way from Chennai. So
it's a great day. It's a historic day. Doing creative music has always been my, I would say, life. Singing all kinds of genres of music, be it film, be it ghazals, be it bhajans, like lot of us here, be it fusion. But what sets Gungunalo apart is whatever we do for this company is for us. And I've always had creative, what do you call it, people gave me that, or I used to take creative freedom, I would say. The artists, the curators, they own the company. It is theirs, is their temple. Hence the creation will be of a very high level.
at the same time, there's a lot of responsibility on us. To there, all our experiences of the writers, of the singers, of the composers come into play. So I'm really expecting amazing music to be produced and put in the market by Gungunalo. All the very best, and we are here to stay. Thank you.
It sounds a bit immodest, but Prashant ji is a gentleman in Boston. He's a big businessman. He's perhaps one of the richest Indians there in USA. And he heard everything. He's deeply into music. His wife is a trained singer and a very good singer. We have recorded a couple of songs. Manan has recorded a couple of songs with her. He said, and he is very much interested in investing in this, he said that if I have any understanding of business, within 10 years, this company should be $1 billion company.
Anybody else wants to say anything? Book lagi hai. Okay. That's all. Okay. Shyam.
Part of one song or the other may not be the member of Gungunalo. Tomorrow, Ehsan Sahab decides to do a song. And he finds a young man or young girl who are very good singer, and obviously they are not the member, but he has the right to use this person. Or if you find some, Prasunji finds some very talented young composer, he has all the right to give his lyric to him and make it, and he'll put it on the site, but the person who has composed it may not be the member, and he'll look after that person's interest. So that way, every member will be able to find talent and bring it in. There is no restriction on that. A new lyricist, a new singer, a new music director. If a member wants to bring him in the work or her in, the member is allowed. So that is how they can. If they want to become a member, they want to be a shareholder, no problem at all.
Sir, wishing all the best to Gungunalo team and all the stakeholders.
Thank you. Thank you. You want to talk about the pre-registering?
So the www.gungunalo.com website is live. So anybody can pre-register to be an artist as well as pre-register to be a consumer. When we launch, you'll be considered in that. So we can go, to answer your question, you can go to www.gungunalo.com and pre-register as an artist. The registration fee is there, but it's waived for the next 3 months.
Samir ji, Hari.
Arrangement होते कहता हो तो गुनगुनालो के
Sir, 7-8 साल नहीं sir, 3-4 साल.
And the next time I heard about this app was from Shankarji and Shankarji is so busy and he's always, I think, multitasking, singing songs in 5 minutes and probably singing 40 songs in a day. And it was again one of those conversations where 10 seconds का phone call था जब उन्होंने बोला there is an app, Gungunalo, Shirley is the CEO, she'll explain everything. And he hung up. But I'd like to talk about the credibility of the artists who have put this together. जहाँ पे मुझे, as an artist who survives purely on shows, otherwise the industry in itself, I can't survive as an artist in this industry अगर मेरे पास live shows नहीं हो तो. So for me to invest, अगर ये कोई और होता तो मैं, my first instinct would be, oh, I need to see how it's going to happen, or is my money going to be safe? Can I take this risk? And hearing that there's Sridhar ji, Javed Saab and Shankar ji who are just kind of taking on the responsibility to make this happen and bring such incredible artists together, इसमें सोचने का मौका ही नहीं था, सोचने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. I think it was a 10-second conversation, a 10-second mention, and maybe a 30-second conversation with Shirley ji, and I was on board. And I hope more artists feel inspired to do the same, only because of the credibility of the artists who have come on board today. And it's an absolute honor to be a part of it, and I really, really hope many artists can join us and may it be a huge, huge success. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So may I ask one last question before we disperse? Namaskar, this is Anand Ganesh Kumar here. We run a small television channel called In Sync, dedicated for Indian classical music and dance. I'm very happy to be in the midst of so many maestros in the hall today. Just two suggestions, Javed Saab, because you also asked for some suggestions. One is that for eventing, whether we could all look at a way where all the collaborations that we are imagining, whether we can take it to audiences across India and not just...
I'm rather overwhelmed by seeing so much of talent under one roof. Wonderful, and thank you very much, all of you who have come here. Time keeps flowing. Days become weeks, weeks become months, months become years, years become decades. But there are certain days in the world which are more important than the whole decade. Now there are few examples. Like it was 8th November 1902, when for the first time in this country a song was recorded. Sung by a 14-year-old girl. Her name was Sushi Mukhi in Calcutta. Then there was the first star singer, that was Gauhar Chand. In her life, she has recorded more than 600 songs from 1902 to 1920 in more than 10 languages. Then Alamara, 14th March 1931, the first talkie was released. And fasten your seatbelts. It had 50 songs. 50 songs. And I'm not surprised because, you see, cinema has inherited the structure from a traditional theatre, whether it is Nautanki or it is Urdu Parsi theatre or Ram Leela or Krishna Leela or plays which are almost 3,000 years old like Mirchikatikam, Shakuntala. We have always narrated a story based with songs. India is the only country in the world that has two classical traditions hundreds of years ago, Hindustani and Carnatic. We have folk songs in every language, a different kind of folk song. India can very well be called some country of music and song. So that was a very important day. And I suppose after that the important day which came in our lives was 22nd of May 2012, when there was a major amendment in copyright. And for the first time, the composers, the writers, the singers got their share by the law. Maybe it took us 5 years to see to it that these laws are implemented. And it was 2007 when IPRS, which is the official government recognized body for collecting royalties, was taken over, or at least we had an equal share in power in IPRS, the writers, composers. When we took it over, it was earning 42 crores per year in 2017. After 5 years, 6 years, in 2024, it has crossed 730 crores. So in a way we are doing well. So why did we need Gungunalo? Because I think, again, the milestone day which will be remembered in the history is today, 5th of May. You see, there are two kinds of musicians, writers. One who works for film industry, one who are classical, semi-classical, non-film music. Both of them had one problem. You see, working in film industry is a commission job. somebody gives us a situation, and we have to compose a song, write a song accordingly. And the final judge is the director of the film, the producer of the film, and rightly so, because they are making the film. We are commissioned to do that work. So we don't have to be honest, have the final say. On the other hand, we have great classical talents. The lady is sitting in front of us, who doesn't know her? But, I mean, the marketing department doesn't let this talent or this caliber or this art reach the common man. I mean, there are elites, there are more sophisticated people with developed taste, and they go out of the way to share this great treasure of art or music. But it doesn't reach so many people. Now here we needed complete freedom. I am not saying that that's bad. I mean, I write film songs, I write poetry, whatever I feel like. I decide the meter, I decide the topic, I decide the length of the poem or whatever. But when I am working for a commission job, obviously I have to listen to the people who are paying me or who have signed me. Nothing wrong with that at all. And one should not feel that he is exploited. I mean, it's your choice that you are doing it. And fine. But here you have more freedom. Now, we for the first time have made, provided a stage, provided an opportunity to the composers, writers, singers to do what they feel like doing. Write, compose, sing the way they want to do. They don't have to be answerable to anybody. They don't need anybody's approval. Even within us, within Gungunalo, we have no committee which will pass or approve or disapprove any composition or any writing. Every artist, every member of this society is totally free to give at least four compositions every year, whatever you feel like, whatever you prefer to put in public domain. This kind of freedom on this scale is a major happening. Because any name worth its salt is the member of this group, is this shareholder of this company. People will come. And for the first time, even that art, which is much superior, great art, but has not reached the common man. It doesn't reach over because there is a marketing department which perhaps has their own reservations or preferences or their own expediencies. It's not my business to talk about them, but it doesn't reach common people. This is the time when this popular platform, we will have total freedom. All kind of music will reach to all kind of people. It's a major happening. We don't realize it today, but after 20 years, after 25 years, May the 5th will be one of the biggest milestones in the history of Indian music. So thank you very much for being here. And believe me, you are sharing a historical moment. And after many years, you will tell your grandchildren, I was there when it happened. Thank you.
Shankar, there's a wonderful introduction of what the dream was. Now we have so many artists and more artists are going to come, which means what? There's going to be more content, more interaction with fans, much more than you can consume in a day. So what do you need? You need a fantastic digital platform that connects instantly, makes all the features it's very slick. We have fantastic UI designers as well as back-end and front-end engineers working. And we'll just show you a little bit about what they have done so far. Take a look.
the fact that we are going to announce Gungunalo and what Gungunalo is truly a proud moment for all of us. So thank you very much once again for coming today. Okay, so I just thank a few people and then I will let the others speak. Firstly, when I got this idea a few years back, I first approached my engineering buddy, who's a tech genius, and many years back, he's made his, internet company and sold it to Yahoo, came back to India, and we wanted to start something together. And it requires a person of this caliber to have a platform that is going to be able to support this much of heavy data. So let's all have a loud round of applause to Sridhar Ranganathan, my engineering buddy, and one of the founder members of Gungunalo. And then of course, there's one gentleman who's been there right from my first project that I've ever done, standing by me like a guiding light, like a mentor, like a teacher, like an inspiration. So I had to go to him and share this idea. And the minute this idea was shared with him, he just lapped it up and he said, I'm there with you all the way. So the second founding member of Gungunalo, none other than the one and only Javed Akhtar Sahab. Let's have a round of applause. So then every artist, the simplest way was I had to call everybody. Javed called a few artists, Sridhar called, I called. And the minute my fraternity, the minute they heard the concept, instantly it was only yes, and they just jumped straight into it. So a big thank you to all the artists from the artist family. Let's say this has to be the loudest round of applause. Because without this platform can't happen. And then we found somebody who's going to take this and execute it. Because as you know, we are all a room full of busy artists over here. So actually execute it. We had somebody in mind whom we approached and she readily agreed. So let us thank Shirley Singh over here, who's the CEO of Gungunalo. Thank you, Shirley. So all these people who have been part of this family, and also there are many people who will be joining in, and they are not artists, but they're going to become part of this family in the next round. And they have joined in even before Gungunalo is launched. Even when we announced, they are already part of the family. So I thank all those people who have said, we'll reveal that at a later date, but thank you those people who are going to be part of the family very soon. So thank you. Yeah. The whole idea is to create one of the biggest platforms, which is, the difference is, this is a platform by the artists, for the artists. So I'd like to call upon Sridhar to just speak for a couple of minutes and then we'll reveal the act. Oh, okay. For all those people who want to know who are the people who are part of the shareholders, the difference is they are shareholders of this company. So Javed Akhtar, Samir ji, Hariharan, Shan, Vishal, Shekhar, Arijit Singh, Anupam, Prasunji, Sunidhi, Shreya, Aruna Sairamji, Papon, Salim, Suleiman, Anandji, Belinji, Amit Trivedi, Kavita, Vijay, Irshad, Srinivas, Lalit, Shweta, Anusha Mani, Amita Bhattacharya, Ehsan, Loy, Akshay Hariharan, Harshdeep Singh, Mahalakshmi Iyer, Raju Singh, Manan, Vikram, Siddharth Mahadevan, Somil Shikarpure, Rachel Singh, Joshua, Akriti Kakkar, and Shankar Mahadevan. So these are the people. Oh, once more I'm getting breathless. Okay. Let me call Sridhar. Just here is.